Hey guys, welcome back to Shalu's Artistry. In today's video, we are going to see how to assemble a collapsible wardrobe. When you buy a collapsible wardrobe, these are the materials you are going to get. So number one is rod. You will be getting a lot of rods like this. Depending upon your size and the different types of compartment that you have preferred, you will get different numbers. So this is one, and to connect this, we need pipes like this. So secondly, you will be getting pipes like this. These are plastic, and you will be getting different types and different sizes and different numbers depending upon your wardrobe. So next one is your racks. For your shelves, you will be getting a set of cloths like this. And finally, the cover, the very important portion of your wardrobe. This is going to cover the entire wardrobe, and this is going to give you the perfect shape. So this is going to be a DIY, and it is definitely time consuming. It will take some time, but it is not necessary that you have to fix it in the same way that you have seen in the picture. It is up to you to fix it in the way you want it, because it is so convenient, so comfortable to use it. And let's get started. There will be a lot of rods, and only two of them will be different. These are the connecting tubes. There are a lot of holes, as you can see. Each one is used to connect a specific type of rod. These are the shelves. They are rectangular in shape, and as you can see, two sides are closed whereas two sides are open. And this open side is used for the rod to go inside. And this is the outer cover. It has 3 zips, and this serves as a door. You can open and close it. Now this is how it has to be fixed. Among all the rods, only 2 of them will be different. 2 will be a little bigger. These 2 rods will be used as hangers. These are the 4 rods that are going to be the base of this cupboard. Once you have kept it in this manner, start connecting the rods to the tubes. So this is our base, and the base is ready. So as you can see, there is a gap between the base and the floor, so it's easy for us to sweep it. Now let's connect the rest of the rods. This is the base, and we'll be connecting a lot of tubes above this. And this is how the base has to look. Just to show you how the base has to look, I have just done this. Now we have to connect the shelves inside, because from the base itself we'll start having the shelves. Now let's connect the shelves. For that, we are going to use a hole which is present in the cloth and insert it in both the sides and secure it to the plastic pipe. Similarly, connect all the shelves. While inserting the shelves in the sides also, make sure that you are pulling it together. If you're pulling it in different times, it will not come properly. This is the top portion, and here is the bottom. So this is exactly where we are going to start, from the bottom. Open the zips and spread it on the floor like this. This is the bottom portion, and you can see that there are 8 holes on the bottom. Now place the wardrobe on the cloth like this and insert all the base tubes into the holes. Now we have started covering it, and as you can see, this is a little bit taller, and when you try to cover it, it will not be covered. So we have to remove this first shelf alone and then cover it, and from inside we have to insert it. This front portion will serve as a door, so whenever you want to open the door, just fold it like this and hang it. Since we removed the upper portion, and after covering it, we are inserting from inside, this is becoming very easy to lift it. Just one person is enough for setting this wardrobe, and now our collapsible wardrobe is ready. Once your work is over, you can just zip it and close this door like this. Here is my personal review for this product. As far as I used it, I'm going to give my opinion, and this opinion might differ from person to person depending upon the type of product they visit. So starting with the pipes, tubes, and the accommodation, everything is perfect. You have a lot of shelves here, and the pipe and the tube quality is really very good. It's very strong. And talking about the hanger, It's very spacious, it's very lengthy. You can hang lengthier cloths, like a full sari can be hung, a full chuddar salwar can be hung. Talking about the zip quality, zip is very good. It just covers right from the top till the bottom, and everything just covers up. You cannot expect any dust to enter inside. So I think this is completely secured. So I bought this product 3 years back, and at that time the cost was 1,700. Even now you will get it right from 800 onwards, I guess, but it's not at all good. Starting from 1,500 you will get good product. When I bought this, I just thought that I would give 5 out of 5 for the first 6 months. The capacity is 30 kgs. You can keep 30 kgs of any stuff inside. So 30 kg was okay. For the sweeping and swapping the house, it was very easy because it was just movable and it was lightweighted as well. But when it comes to the cloth material, the outer layer of this is really not good. Not only the outer layer, the shelf as well. Both the layers are having the same material, usually the one which is used for big shower bags. But after 6 months, I noticed that there were holes here and there. Once I started touching it, just poking my fingers inside, it just went inside. So it started to tear slowly, inch by inch, and finally there was only tatters here and there. Since it started to tear apart, I just had to stitch another one, and this one which you're seeing, it is stitched by me. I just went and got some materials. This is a pure cotton. I just wanted a light material only, so I preferred this, and I took the measurements inch by inch and I just stitched it. But the zip quality is good because I just use the same zip here also. It took me about a full day to stitch it, so it's quite difficult to stitch it again. There were reviews about the cloth being not good, but irrespective of this, I chose it because I was in need of it. I just needed it for at least 6 months, and I had another plan also in case it just gets torn away. I had plans to use plywood or cardboard and just convert it into other shelf kind of stuffs. So I took this risk. So if you are also ready for that, you can just go for this product. But if you want a product that has a long lasting life, then I don't think that this is a kind of product that you need. The product quality might be good if you go for a higher priced products. Talking about the overall stuff, I would give a 4 out of 5 because everything is perfect in this except for the cloth. So I would just give 4 because the cloth alone is not good. Even if the cloth gets torn away, you can just use it in different forms. You can remove the cloths completely, arrange it with plywoods or any hard cardboard material, and you can use it as a shelf. But you might have a different opinion, so you can leave your opinions in the comment section. So I'm going to hang all my dresses inside and see how it's going to look. As you can see, you can hang your pleated sarees there, you can keep your other stuffs here. There are a lot of racks, and also you can just hang your dresses like this, mainly shawls. The entire length of the shawl can be accommodated inside. So I think that it is good. I would just go for this, except for the cloth. Cloth material, I am really not happy with that. So you might have your own different opinions. So I have given my opinions. Your opinions might also be very helpful for other people to buy this kind of a product. So please do leave your opinions in your comment section. So in this video, we saw how to fix this collapsible wardrobe and how to use it. We also saw about its merits and demerits. So if you like this idea, please give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.